Can you make a DIY powder nails thingy? In response, here's my tutorial. So I used the Salon dip glitter kit that I got from the local grocery store because it has everything you need. You want to use it in these steps. First, prep your nails, push your cuticles down. Second, buff the top of your nails so the base coat can stick well. Next, with the base gel, make sure to apply a thin layer of base gel on top of your nail. That way your nail will have a clean finish at the end. Take your time applying this because the dip powder will stick on to anything the base gel touches. Once you're done, apply the dip powder. I found it easier to pour the dip powder over my nail for a more even coat. Tap off the excess and wait 20 seconds before the next step. After 20 seconds, use the sponge to remove the excess powder. Now, some people use a brush, but I didn't have one. I just used what was accessible in the kit. Now you want to repeat steps 3 to 5, applying the base gel, putting on the dip powder, and then brushing off the excess. This is where the magic happens. The 7th step is to apply the activator, which will harden the powder on your nail. Make sure to wait for another 20 seconds after application. Then you want to apply the top coat. Make sure to apply the top coat with even strokes. Let it dry for 5 minutes and then you're done with that nail. Repeat the steps to all your nails. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Also read the description down below for where I got my materials. Until next time.